Hi guys. Now, last video we saw the basic economic problem was limited resources when compared to unlimited human wants. We saw the basic economic problem was limited resources when compared to unlimited human wants. So now we will see what are these resources. Now humans can be classified. How? Now, based on qualities, good human, bad human. Based on gender, male, female. Based on age, young, old. Like that, resources also can be classified. So, economics has classified the resources into these four. What are the four? Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Economics has classified the resources to land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Now, let's see what is land. Now, land in English means the ground extent of a property. Land in English means the ground extent of a property. But land in economics means all the natural resources found on the earth, under the earth, and above the earth. So, what is land? Land is all natural resources found on the earth, under the earth, and above the earth. For example, if I am producing a phone, I might need rubber for the keypads. I might need lithium for the battery. So all this can be put into the category of what? Land. So I can say all raw materials I use for the production is what? Land. So now the reward for land. So if someone is providing me raw materials, I have to make him a payment. If for a supplier. So what is that payment referred to as in economics? Rent. So what is rent? The reward provided for natural resources. So rent in English means the return paid for the landlord. But rent in economics is what? The reward paid for land or reward paid for natural resources. Now, what is labor? Labor is the human resources used in the production of goods and services. What is labor? The human resources used in the production of goods and services. So what is the reward for labor? Wages. The reward for labor is wages. Then let's see, what is capital? Capital is the artificial resources used in the production of goods and services. So what are the artificial resources we use? Money. So money means financial capital. Then what is machineries? So money, machineries, all these can be put into the category of what? Artificial resources. Then what is the reward paid for capital? The reward paid for capital is interest. And finally we come the final entrepreneur. Who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is an individual who organizes these three factors of production, land, labor and capital, and produces goods and services by taking a risk in order to make a profit. So who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is an individual or a firm. When it's a firm, it's called a what? Enterprise. Who organizes these factors of production, land, labor and capital, and produces goods and services in order to make a profit by taking a risk. So we saw the categorization of resources. So how is the resources categorized? Under land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And what are the rewards for it? For land, it's rent. For labor, it's wages. For capital, it's interest. For entrepreneur, it's profit. This is very crucial guys and don't ever forget it. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.